you up. Feel your soul and fill your cup. Let it go, leave it behind. All the weight inside your mind. Feel the groove, feel the vibe. Let your spirit come alive. Island rhythm and skate. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm and skate. Every move, every shade. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Steel drums laughing in the air. Feel the freedom everywhere. Guitar skank so crisp and clean. Living out a simple dream. Bassline bouncing nice and round. Heartbeat in the island sound. Nothing else we really need. Just this vibe to set us free. And so along the shoreline breeze. Life is flowing with such ease. In this moment we can see. This is how it's meant to be. Island rhythm and skate. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm and skate. Every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Escape. Feel the wave. Hold on, hun. Island rhythm and skate. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm and skate. Every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Escape. Feel the wave. Hold on, hands. Slow time. Yeah. Reflection. Quiet waves upon the shore. Teach me what I'm looking for. In the silence I can hear. Everything becomes so clear. Sky reflecting in the sea. Like a mirror back at me. Every thought begins to slow. Letting deeper feelings grow. Take a breath, let it be. There's no need to overthink. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Peace within your mind. Calm tide, reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide like a gentle tide. Calm tide, reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside. Let your spirit glide. steady, low and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every moment feels so real, every breath begins to heal. Island time is all I need, set my soul at ease. Let the past just fade away, live within the now today. In this flow we understand, life is more than we had planned. Life is more than we had planned. Slow tide, let it ride. Feel that breeze, soft wind moving through your hair. Island feeling everywhere, eyes meet under golden light. Everything just feels so right.
No more words we need to say, let the music lead the way.
In this moment we align, your heart beating next to mine. Feel the vibe, feel the tone, you're the place I call my home. Every beat, every sound lifts my feet off the ground.
Reese connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be.
Ocean singing soft and low,
Moving with the afterglow. Good talk chords just set the mood. Everything feels understood.
baseline deep like endless sea.
Pulling you right into me. In this rhythm we can stay. Let the world just fade away. Time stands still when you're near. Every moment crystal clear. In this love we finally see what it means to truly be.
Island breeze connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be.
Connection.
the tone, you're the place I call my home. Every beat, every sound lifts my feet off the ground. Island breeze connection, pure reflection. Feel the love we share, floating in the air. Island breeze connection, no direction, just you next to me. That's where I wanna be.
Ocean singing soft and low, moving with the afterglow. Guitar chords just set the mood, everything feels undisturbed.
Baseline deep like endless sea, pulling you right into me. In this rhythm we can stay, let the world just fade away.
Time stands still when you're near, every moment crystal clear. In this love we finally see what it means to truly be.
Island breeze connection, pure reflection. Feel the love we share, floating in the air. Island breeze connection, no direction, just you next to me. That's where I wanna be. Feel that breeze, breeze connection, love. Breeze connection, love. Ride the wave, yeah. Feel the rhythm in the air. Island vibe is everywhere. Sun is shining on my skin. Let the good times just begin. Ocean calling, can't deny. See the freedom in the sky. Every step I take is smooth, moving with that island groove. Let every second on repeat, moving gently with the beat. Let it loop, let it play, take your mind far away. Feel the vibe, feel the sound, let it spin you around. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a snooning wine. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line floating through your mind. Guitar skank just keeps it tight, rolling softly day to night. Bassline smooth and never stops, like the tide it always drops. Nothing changes, that's the key. In this loop you feel so free. Same vibe, different day, let it carry you away. Round and round the feeling goes, like a song you always know. In this cycle you can see, this is pure simplicity. Again, again, again. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a soothing rhyme. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line floating through your mind. Loop again, yeah, yeah. Let it breathe. Ocean therapy, waves rolling, take it slow. Every worry letting go. Salt air drifting through my mind, leaving all the stress behind. Sunlight dancing on the sea, feels like it's healing me. Every step in golden sand, peace is always close at hand. Close your eyes, just feel the flow. Let the rhythm guide your soul. No more rush, no more race, just the calm of this place. Ocean breeze therapy, set your spirit free. Let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze therapy, where you're meant to be. Let the music heal, feel what you should feel. where you're meant to be. Ocean air, take me there. I can come, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy, where you're meant to be. Let the music heal, feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Feel what you should feel. Let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Ocean memory, soft sand, footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through my hands, echoes of a distant time still replay inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near. Every moment still is here. In the waves, in the sun, all the love we ever found. Soft sand memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside like a rising tide. Guitar whispers soft and low, like a story you once know. Bassline steady, calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can see what will always be. Time may fade, but love remains, flowing through like summer rain. In the time we understand, nothing's ever out of hand. control. Golden hour drift feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through our hands, but the feeling always stays, like the warmth of island days. Bassline rolling soft and deep, like a promise we can keep. Everything just feels aligned, peace within the mind. Hold this vibe, don't let go. This is all we need to know. In this light we finally see, life is how it's meant to be. Golden hour trip feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free. Just you and me. Golden hour drift, golden, drifting slow. Golden hour drift, golden, drifting slow. Golden, drifting slow. Escape, yeah. Island rhythm, step away from city noise, traded in for simple joys. Island calling, hear the sound, good vibes always all around. Sun is shining, spirits high, no more stress, just let it fly. Every beat just lifts you up, fill your soul and fill your cup. Let it go, leave it behind, all the weight inside your mind. Feel the groove, feel the vibe, let your spirit come alive. Island rhythm escape, let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright, from the day to night. Island rhythm escape, every move, every skies, reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light, everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free. Island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise. Feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning Island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning Island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Steel drums ringing soft and clear, melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day, new way, let the sunshine lead the way. In this glow we can see life is simple, wild and free. Morning flow, let it glow. Morning Island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning Island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Oh, yeah. Midnight glow, feel it slow. Moonlight shining on the way, midnight vibe we always crave. Cool breeze whisper through the night, everything just feels so right. Stars above like diamonds bright, guiding hearts with gentle light. In the dark we find the spark, island rhythm in our heart. No rush, no control, let the night take your soul. Every beat, every sound lifts your feet off the ground. Midnight Island glow, moving nice and slow. Let the music play till the break of day. we feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open skies. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, poured in raw reality. Every note just speaks to you. Simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fade. Every wall begins to break. In this rhythm you will find truth was always in your mind. Yeah, waves don't lie. Yeah, waves don't lie. Yeah, waves don't lie. Yeah. Waves don't lie. Oh yeah. Memories, soft sand, footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through my hands, echoes of a distant time still replay inside my mind. Ocean breeze just brings it back, every feeling that I lack. Golden days and endless skies reflected in my eyes. Close your eyes, feel it near. Every moment still is here. In the waves, in the sound, all the love we ever found. Soft sand, memories flowing with the breeze. Let it wash away all the yesterday. Soft sand, memories moving through the seas. Feel it deep inside, like a rising tide. Guitar whispers soft and low, like a story you once know. Bassline steady, calm and true, pulling every thought to you. Nothing really disappears, just transforms across the years. In this rhythm we can every feeling breaking through. No more hiding, no disguise. See it clear in ocean eyes. Sunlight dancing on the sea, feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open sky. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, holding raw reality. Every note just speaks to you, simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fade, every wall begins to break. In this rhythm you will find truth was always in your mind. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth, they're in open sky. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real, your emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Yeah. Waves don't lie. Oh yeah. Wait. Neon light, night and night. Yeah. Palm trees glowing in the dark, neon colors leave a mark. Ocean shining black and blue, all I see is me and you. Midnight breeze, electric air, music floating everywhere. Slow motion in the sand, reaching out your hand. Feel the vibe, feel the heat, heartbeat syncing with the beat. No control, let it go, let the night just take you slow. Island neon nights, under flashing lights, let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. this space we're drifting free, lost in pure intensity. Beachside vibe, friends around, the vibe is right. Laughing in the fading light, ocean breeze and music loud. Good energy inside the crowd. Sun goes down, but we don't stop. Feel the rhythm as it drops. Every smile, every move, locked into that island groove. Hands up high, feel the beat. Sand beneath your dancing feet. Let it go, feel the sound. Good vibes going all around. Beachside groove session, pure connection. Feel the rhythm tight through the island night. Yeah. Beachside groove session, no regression. Let the music play till the break of day. Steel drums lighting up the scene, adding colors in between. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, moving through the night so smooth. Bassline heavy but relaxed, keeping every moment intact. Nothing